Hi, I'm Sean. I'm one of the property owners at Gilbert Square, a shopping center that we've recently been renovating. So we just did a new parking lot, we did a new monument sign, and we've signed a couple of new leases with great tenants who are gonna really add a lot more foot traffic to the location, including a full-service Mexican seafood restaurant and a preschool where over 75 kids are attending and parents coming twice a day. There's a very successful Shop Quick deli that's been there for over 20 years and a barber shop. So we think a couple of great additional tenants to the location would be anyone with a medical or an office use, a food or a fitness user, or a dessert concept. So if you would benefit from great visibility, great traffic, easy access in and out, and over 50,000 cars a day being located right next to your business, reach out, say hello, come schedule a tour with Bart, and see some of the suites and pricing options that are available. You know, we're trying to make this as beneficial as possible for all the tenants at this location. Look forward to hearing from you. Look forward to getting you scheduled for a tour.